Alright everybody, we finna plant these sweet potato slips. So what I'm doing at the bottom, I'm mixing up some mulch at the bottom and a little compost. I got the mulch at the bottom because I want it, because we gonna plant the sweet potatoes in a container. So I want good drainage on the bottom. That's why I got the mulch in the bottom, and then I got a little compost. You know, so when the roots start, well, when the potatoes start growing down in there, they have some extra nutrients. So I'm just, and then on top I'm putting, this is potting soil on the top. And then I'm mixing that with a little compost. Yes, and some more mulch, because I want this soil to stay loose, because it's in the pot. I don't want it to get all compacted. So that's what I'm doing right there. Mix it in. I want it to stay fluffy. That's what I'm doing. Just trying some stuff. That's how you gotta be when you garden, Jack. Try some stuff. Never know what might work. Alright, y'all. This soil has been out here in the sun. It's real hot, so I'm gonna wet it down a little bit. Cool it off before we put them plants in there. Them slips, rather. Alright, I got two. We got some that came out that was still growing over there in the bed. And then we got some that we took out off them that I took out the bed a couple of weeks ago to get them roots. And we gonna plant these too. I think you can plant them either way. You know, when they soak in there and get roots, and straight like that too. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so I'm planting them in a container because what I learned is them vines, they gonna run everywhere, right? But these vines, what they gonna start doing, they'll get to the ground and then they'll start growing sweet potatoes as they spread out. You don't want the vines to start rooting. So that's why I'm putting them in the pot so I can control the vines. If you stop them from rooting, that way the potatoes in the pot, it'll focus more on them potatoes that's in the pot and not the vine that's sprouting more potatoes. And I just want to try it in the container and see how it is. Now I do gotta tell you, look how fluffy that is, y'all. Mixing it with that mulch, that is real fluffy. So we gonna see how that works. We might get some good ones. Now I say sweet potatoes need about 90 to 100 days. So we're in July, August, September, October. It's gonna be close, but we're gonna see. We're gonna just try and see. If nothing else, now we know how to grow sweet potato slips. We know how to plant for next year, so stay tuned. We'll catch y'all in the next video.